Welcome to our channel. If you're preparing to verify your Binance cryptocurrency exchange account to start trading, follow these essential step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Visit Binance.com and click Register to create your cryptocurrency trading account on the world's largest exchange. Step 2. Enter your email address and create a strong password, or register using your mobile phone number instead of email. Step 3. Check your email inbox or SMS messages for a verification code from Binance sent to the contact information you provided. Step 4. Enter the verification code in the Binance app or website to confirm your email address or phone number. Step 5. If you didn't receive the verification code, check your spam folder or request a new code by clicking the Resend option. Step 6. Complete basic verification, identity verification level 1. By providing your personal information, including full legal name, date of birth, nationality, and residential address. Step 7. Upload a photo of your government-issued ID document such as a passport, driver's license, or national ID card. Ensure the document is clear and valid. Step 8. Take a selfie as instructed by Binance to verify that you are the same person shown on the ID document. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. Step 9. For advanced verification, Level 2, provide additional information such as proof of address by uploading a recent utility bill, bank statement, or government document. Step 10. Wait for Binance to review and verify your documents. Basic verification usually takes a few minutes, while advanced verification may take several hours or days. Step 11. Once verified, set up two-factor authentication, 2FA, for enhanced security using Google Authenticator or SMS verification. Step 12. After verification is complete, you can deposit funds, trade cryptocurrencies, and access all Binance features based on your verification level. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.